YouTubers, I will show you how to make characters of Avatar, I mean of Toph. So I will make on the tiger. So first you need is to put all your clothes off and make the eyes white, like this. So now you need to put, okay, now this color and the orange. Now you need to put the necklace, the green sweater, and something to put in head. You can put the rare fox hat, but it need be orange, or the better thing, put the flower like this. And now all you need to do is play. Okay, so yay, I'm Toph from Avatar and I'm Earthbender. Yay! So I hope you like this video. I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching. Good luck.